Welcome to 5900 Monterrey Road in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm Carlee Howard with the Rafter H Realty Group. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, standout mid-century modern home. Step into warm hardwood floors. The updated kitchen is a wow factor with the kitchen island, quartz countertops, soft close cabinets, and farmhouse sink. Both bathrooms are updated. The bedrooms are all oversized. The large living area is perfect for entertaining with the wet bar and the wood burning fireplace. You're going to want to take a look at this, so let's go take a look.